going to the Big Island. I just got Starbucks and we are waiting to board our flight. That's so good. We are waiting in line at the Two Ladies Kitchen. It's a mochi spot and the line is so long. I know it's gonna be so good. Oh, they look so good. Okay, first we're gonna try this one, peanut butter. Oh my god, that consistency is insane. That one's good. Kind of plain, but that one's so good. Brownie. Oh, I'm excited for this one. Oh my god, the actual brownie in there. That one's really good. Oh my god. That one. Oh yeah. This one's Oreo. I think there's gonna be a real Oreo in here. Oh my god. That is better than a real Oreo. That one.
Oh my god.
Really good. This one is the butterfly one, it's called. I have no clue what's in it.
Is it bad? Is it the red beans or whatever?
Not bad. I don't even taste anything actually. I think that might be ube.
I think it's the red bean paste.
But it doesn't taste bad. It doesn't really taste like anything. Marshmallow. Oh, it's like really squishy. That one's really good too. Okay. That one's really good too. So, let's rate these ones. This was probably like 2 out of 10. Like, not really any flavor. The marshmallow one was pretty good. I'll give that one like a 6 or 7 probably. The Oreo one was really good. Probably like, what would you say? 8 or 9?
9 out of 10.
Yeah, 9 out of 10, yeah. The brownie one was probably like, for me, a 7 or an 8. What would you say?
9 out of 10.
9 out of 10, yeah. And then, what was this one? Peanut butter. Oh, it was okay. It didn't have like a
7 or 6.
Yeah, probably. But my favorite was definitely the Oreo, between the Oreo and the brownie batter. But I love the marshmallow too. Oh wow, look at these gorgeous flowers. We found this cute little poke spot. We're gonna get the Everyday Joe bowl and we're gonna split this. Yum, that looks so good. And we got Lily Koi passion fruit drink. Oh yeah, really good. Yum. We're at this really cute smoothie spot. Their menu looks so good. I think we're gonna get a cookies and cream. So we got a cookies and cream. Oh my gosh. That is so good. Yum. We are in Hawaii Volcanoes National Park and we came here to see the steam vents, the lava tubes, and the volcano. Right now we're at the steam vents, and I'm going to show them to you. They're so cool. There is some over here, and they're all over there too. And this is the volcano lookout. This is insane. We keep walking up all the way around it, and it looks different at each little point that we see. It's so cool. Now we are actually in the clouds. We are 4,000 feet up, and we're going to be heading down now to go see the lava tubes. It's so cold. We just made it to the black sand beach. I changed into like a little bathing suit and a skirt to take a few pictures, and I'm so excited to see it. Oh my goodness, you have to see this. Oh my gosh. The black sand beach was the coolest thing ever. It was such a different texture than what I thought. I thought it was gonna be really like dirt kind of, but it's just like sand, just a little bit harder. It was so awesome. Oh my goodness, these look insane. That looks so good. That's insane. Look at that. Wow. We just got to the airport. We have about an hour until we board, and our trip is over. My favorite part of the trip was probably the black sand beach or the lava tubes. What was your favorite part of that trip?
Overlooking the volcano and the lava tubes.
Yeah, that was really, really fun. We had such a great time. Thank you for watching. Bye.